So guys, welcome back. Yuji from the Season 4 trailer of Jujutsu Kaisen. Without his eyes. What? No spoilers. Looking forward to this though. So, close up on his face. I'm on a landscape page. Use a pencil, use an eraser, hit pause if I go too fast. So we'll start with the eyes. Typical Jujutsu Kaisen eyes. We go up. And then we bring it across. We're very close up on his face, so we'll have to thicken that up. We'll just get the bottom eyelid in first. That's the eye shape, and then we'll do spikes. You want to thicken up the top eyelid. In anime, it's usually a thicker, heavier line. And it gets thinner at the back. Okay, small iris circle in the middle. Pupil, then there. And then he has lots of like stress lines around his eye because he's super stressed out. For reasons that will become obvious. Don't give him eyelid lines, so we just go straight for the eyebrow. So spiking here. And there might be a little like eyelid line or something there. Right, go over, do the same thing the other side. Measure this eye. Come over that much. That's where the next one starts. So you can fit his eye, this whole space, there. See? Eye width. Boom. And then we go up, across again. Bottom eye shape. Like so. And spike the top eyelid line. Just make it heavier and thicker. And then brown eyes. And again, lots of scratches and stuff. And then his eyebrow again. There's more sort of eyelid lines or scratches there. So his scars, the scars aren't drawn with black line. Mappa don't use a black line to draw the scars, done with pink. So, but in the manga, of course, it's drawn in. So it's up to you if you want to do it with a color or black. I have to do it black anyway. So we're just adding this scar. And then there's like some scar lines just in there. Texture is just for the bumpy skin. So the nose drawn unusually. So it goes this way. A bit of a line going there. And then his nostril that way. And then his mouth closed. There's loads of blood coming out of it, right? So we'll just do the sort of mouth kind of flat here first. And then they give him a bit of a top lip line, sort of a flat bottom lip line. And then I think we can just see his scar on this side. Now, if you want, you can draw the blood in or just do it in color. I'll draw it in because I won't see it otherwise. So it's just loads of blood dripping down his chin, coming from the mouth. Right, and then so his chin is here, so it just comes around this way for his jaw. Jaw's about in line, just between the nose and the top lip, and like underneath the corner of his eye. That's when your jaw changes direction. And above that, we just get sideburn, little V, and like some hairlines just going in that way. Then we have a full ear on this side, but not the other side. Bit of his ear cut off here. And then all those pink hair spikes. So just short Yuji hair spikes. It's all coming across his head. There's no like set way of doing this. They're kind of like shark fins. You know, you're just trying to fill it all in as much as you can. There's some textures all in here then as well. He's got like lots of scratches on his face. Right, and then that red collar that he has. So it seems to just, so we get like his neck here. Well, it's like the collar and the neck. So it like comes around this way. And then his neck muscles are in here. This is more of the red stuff, the red collar all swooping around, you know, all the fold lines of the fabric, you know, going around his head. And like the big part comes, the front part comes like all the way down. It's ripped and torn a little bit. It'll go off the page down the bottom. And the top of it, where is it here? Rips and tears. Poor Yuji. Gets traumatized so much. And then his like shoulder goes that way. And then we can see like an arm sticking out here. So we get like some of his shoulder just there. And then his ripped and torn sort of sleeve. Then like his forearm going there. And that's it, I think. Yep. Yuji from the teaser for season 4. Hope it's helpful. Cannot wait. See you next one. Bye.